Well, look, you take. I know you're taking offense to the wench word, but you know that's just what it's called. All right, that's back in the medieval days, where where you know everybody was sexist.
You hear my son talking? He called me a wench. Hi guys, my name is Jessica Queen Wells. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to show you some items that I got from. I think I got these from. Where did I get these from? Oh, I got these from Temu. Yeah, I wanted to see what I could do at Temu. So this little outfit I have on now, I got this from Temu. It has feathers that stick up like this. I don't know if I'm a fan of the feathers. But it is super cute. You see, check it out. And then you just tie it in the back. And I got this in a small, it does have a little flap that goes across where you can put it over, but I like it with a little back that's showing. And then it buttons up here on the side right here. And I just have to keep pulling this up. But it fastens right here. Now, the trick is getting this fastened and pulling it tight is the way you want. The skirt, I absolutely love it. It has, let me see if I can show you right here. It just has an elastic band. It could have been a little bit better, but if you're covering it up, it works out just fine. It's a little lower in the back than it is in the front, but these aren't the shoes I had on with this outfit. Let me show you what I wore. Little Giuseppe's. It has like the gold and the crystals on the front of it. I thought they looked perfect with the dress. And then for the bag, I had this little bag right here, and I forgot where I got this from, but it's super cute. And I thought it kind of brought out the little turquoise in the middle of that. So that's what I went ahead and styled with this little. Yeah, see, this is throwing me off. But you can cut these if you want and then change it to something totally different. You can put a shirt on underneath this, but I kind of like it without the little feathers, or maybe cut the feathers down to like right there, but it's up to you. It does have a little bit of boning in this, but it's not spectacular. So let me show you the other things I got. So I got this little jacket right here. Now, on the fence, I got this in a size large because I wanted it to be something I could style over a shirt or a little bustier or something like that. On the fence about it. It's I don't even know what to say. It's not really cheap material. It's not lightweight or anything like that. I just think it's just something. It's just something about it that I'm just not feeling. And maybe it's because, you know, maybe if when I put it on, I rolled the sleeves up like that and kind of wore something. Let me just put my hair back. Wore something else with it, but it kind of fits like that. It's not bad looking, but it's not my favorite. That's how it looks in the back. It's not one of my favorite. I was thinking about having something so I could wear it like this. I would have liked the sleeves a little bit longer, but I usually push my sleeves up anyway with a little rubber band, so I'm not that concerned about it, but it's okay. I'm just gonna say it's okay. I'll let you see what I styled this with a little bit later. So I got this little jacket. And then to go under this jacket, I have this little bodysuit. It's really cute. It's kind of see-through, but the bust is covered up. You can see. So I think it'll look good underneath this jacket. So that's what I decided to pair this with, and I'll show you how I styled that shortly. And with that, I can't quite figure it. Let me show you. This is the skirt that I bought to go with that little jacket. The skirt I like. I did not know this was like a little velvet material, but I think the skirt is really, really cute. You can actually, if you wanted to, kind of wear this as a dress. You could. It has a little bow in the back of it. I'm not a fan of the bow. Maybe if I was wearing it as a dress, it would look okay. But this is all sheer, so not sure you want to wear it all the way up there as a dress. But it looks really cute as a little skirt. I think it fastens up on the side. And my idea was to put the black little, either wear this with a bustier and then the jacket over top of that, or just wear it like that. I'll show it both ways when I put it together, but it's kind of well made. It's cute. It's not, it doesn't give you that expensive feel, but it's cute. It's cute, guys. It's cute. It was a hell of a problem trying to iron this though, let me tell you. So I got that, and then I got this little dress. You know I love to be cozy when I'm around the house. Temu has some really nice, comfy items. This is one of them. They had this dress in a whole bunch of colors. It is super comfortable. You can just put it on and just look good all day with or without makeup. And it's just really, really cute. So I absolutely love it. I bought a little hat to go with it. What did I do with the hat? I'll show you the hat a little bit later, but it's just a denim hat. I figured I could put like a denim jacket on top of this, put the hat on, and I'd be good to go running my errands or doing whatever I needed to do with just this little dress on. And I got that in a size medium. The next thing I got, which I'm still on the fence, is this. You see the theme here of all this taffeta? This is okay. I don't know quite how I want to feel about it because I haven't really, I ordered a belt to go with this. Again, this is something I would say may look good as a dress to have it up here. The taffeta is low enough for it to actually be a nice little dress. So I'm going to show it both ways. It's actually a skirt. But it's a super cute skirt. It does have elastic in the waist. I got this in a small. I should have got an extra small, but it fits me pretty well. The material is nice. It's like a little taffeta, kind of like a, not like a taffeta. It's almost like a silk blend, cotton blend, but it's cute. It's heavy. It's well made. I can say that. So yeah, I'll show you how I styled that as well. And to go with that dress, I have this little top. I thought it would look super cute with the skirt. Even if you wore it as a dress and you had this over top of it, I think it would look super cute. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I need to turn the light down because I think it's too bright, guys. Hold on. Okay. I think we can see this a little bit better now. At least see the color. You see? And then this is the shirt. It has like little sparkles over top of it. So it gives you that iridescent look. But that's the vibe I was going with for that. And then the last thing I got was this little skirt. Now, it's a cute skirt. Not really. And it's got a lot of stretch to it. I got this in an extra small. It looks cute once you put it on. It would look even cute with this little top. Let me put it on real quick with this top so you guys can see what it looks like. But hold on, let me go in there. Let me go in my bedroom. Hold on. Okay, so this is what this looks like with this little skirt on. It's kind of cute, but I'm not sure. It zips on the side. I'm just not sure of the vibe. But maybe with a jacket on. I don't know. The skirt is cute. It is cute. This is what it looks like in the back. So, yeah, it is cute. Just, I don't know, I'm on the fence about it. It zips up right here on the side. So, yeah, it looks okay with this little, with this. Like I said, it flares out on the sides. So if you put some nice little shoes on with it, I probably would make sure that it hangs low to cover my shoes, sort of like that. I think it will look super cute. So, yeah. So, with this skirt, I was thinking about wearing this little top. It has like a flesh tone insert inside of it, and then it's all lace. So it looks really cute. It kind of flares out at the bottom, but it has a tapered neckline. I was thinking probably putting this with a nice little belt, that it would look super cute. So let me take this off since I already got the skirt on, and let me try this top on for you. So give me a second. So guys, this is the top I was thinking about wearing with this. On the fence about it. You know, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the skirt, but I thought this would look okay with it. This shirt, it's like, I don't know, the little underlay for it, I don't know. So this is what I was thinking about wearing with it. So maybe a little belt here. I don't have a bra on, so guys, come on. You know, the tatas need to be up, but it might look okay. And then this little set right here, which is a nice little skirt with a little overlay top that is really, 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 really cute. I love the shorts and the long sleeve top. You can get away with wearing this about anywhere. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys, but let me try this other stuff on for you real quick. The last two I'll try on will be these, but let me try these on so you can see what my thought process was, whether or not you want to get them. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this. This is a skirt, but it looks cuter as a dress. I mean, it absolutely does. This is what it looks. It has elastic in the back, so it will stretch a little bit. This is a small for me, but this is a skirt, but it looks super cute as a little dress. I'm like, I think I would wear this as a dress. Even if you put the top underneath this, I think it'd be cute. Let me put the top on. So this is it with the top on. I think it still looks cute. I think either as a skirt or a top, you could get away with this. And this is what it has, a little sparkle in the top. I got my bracelet on, but all this would need to come off. Definitely would wear silver with this, but I think I like it better without the top, but I'm just saying, as a skirt, this is what it looks like, and that's still cute. I mean, it looks still cute as a skirt. This is what it looks like in the back. Yeah, you can wear it as a skirt or a top and still get the same vibe from it. So yeah, I think okay, so this is the skirt with the jacket. Not sure how I would wear this little jacket with this skirt, but probably with a little top underneath. I don't have a top on now, but this is what the skirt looks like. I am not a fan of the bow. I don't know, maybe turning the bow to the back. Maybe that'll give it a little better vibe. But The skirt I like. Not sure about the jacket, so maybe wearing the skirt with something else, or yeah, I'm not sure. But I don't even think rolling the sleeves up on this is gonna do anything for me. But the skirt it's okay. It's not my favorite. I like the pink one a little bit better, but it's cute. So let me get the. So this is this little outfit. I just love how it moves in the wind. I don't have a bra on, guys, but it needs to be worn with a bra because this kind of opens up when you're moving around. But super cute. These are the shorts. So they have the wide legs, which I like. Now this does fit me funny. I got it too big, so it kind of droops in the front. It should be sitting up like this, but super cute anyway. So, and then let me just try on the last dress for you guys, and pretty much know how these dresses fit. So here's this little dress. You know, they wear these dresses all over the place. I also got this little hat that I thought was super cute, because if I was wearing this, I would not go out in the street with just this. I have one of my Love's shirts, so I would just put his shirt on. And I love his shirts. I'm a clothes stealer, so beware. So I would just put this on. I could even wear it like this, or I could just wear it like this, so that this is put away and I'm not causing any problems. So I love it. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you found some inspiration off of the things that I absolutely love. Temu is a hit or miss. I hadn't shopped on there for a while, so I haven't done a review of any of their items in a minute. But you can still find some quality items on that. I usually like to order things for my household, but again, that can be a hit or miss as well. But I love the hat. I am definitely here for it. It fits over top of me and my hair pieces, so I don't have to worry about the fit. I don't have to worry about it coming off. It's stylish. It goes with anything, especially with a pair of jeans. And yeah, you definitely can get away with it. You won't get the shirt, but he had the buttons exchanged and remade. But it's a cute little shirt. I absolutely love it. It's the reason why I stole it. But yeah, for loungewear, this is me. Thank you so much for watching. This is Just Queen Wells. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. By hitting the link below, so you know every time that I upload a video. I've also started a poetry channel, so do check that out. It's called Cassie's Vlogs. I'll put the link below. I just started that, guys, so I'm getting more into what I love to do, which is write. I'm hoping that my inspiration, my thought process, the words that God gives me to relay, that I get those on point, and that you fully understand the love that I'm putting into that channel. Anyway, talk to you later. Check me out on the rest of my platforms. This is Just Queen Wells. Love you guys. Bye.